Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make social media work for your business step by step. Start by defining your audience and writing clear, measurable goals you can track. Pick 2 to 3 platforms that match your customers and focus energy there. Decide early what success looks like with specific KPIs so every post has purpose. This foundation makes content planning easier and lifts results while saving time and budget. Developing consistent content is the engine that keeps audiences engaged and trusting your brand. Start with a simple calendar that maps topics and formats for each week and stick to publishing rhythms. Keep your visuals and tone consistent so people recognize your posts instantly. Rotate educational, promotional, and community content to build value and momentum. Small routines produce big results, and consistency beats perfection when growing. Engagement and measurement separate hobby accounts from real business growth, so prioritize both. Reply to comments and messages quickly to encourage conversation and loyalty, and use that feedback to shape future posts. Test different headlines, visuals, and post times with small budgets to learn what works. Check analytics weekly to see which posts drive clicks, leads, and sales, then reallocate resources to the best performers for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.